Do you think Mars was always just a very boring red desert? The truth is far more shocking. Mars was a completely alive planet. A few billion years ago, Mars looked amazingly similar to our Earth. It had huge oceans, long rivers, and a thick, extremely warm atmosphere. The heat generated by the active core kept liquid water flowing freely. A strong magnetic field protected the planet from deadly, dangerous solar radiation. Under these perfect conditions, the very first forms of life began thriving. We are not talking about Martians, but microscopic and extremely simple bacteria. These microorganisms lived happily in the warm lakes and shallow blue oceans. Just like on Earth, this early life only needed warm liquid water. Simple organisms constantly consumed minerals from deep hydrothermal vents on the seabed. We can picture those tiny cells converting chemical substances into pure energy. This beautiful golden Martian era lasted for hundreds of millions of years. Bacteria successfully managed to completely colonize the warm waters of this planet. The atmosphere was filled with warm water vapor and active, thick clouds. Frequent rains washed the rocks, carrying nutrients directly into warm aquatic ecosystems. The planet was full of giant volcanoes, constantly releasing many vital gases. Everything always worked perfectly, exactly like a very well-regulated Swiss mechanical watch. Then, a catastrophic event slowly began to destroy this beautiful planetary paradise. The incredibly hot iron core of planet Mars eventually began to cool. When the inner core froze, the invisible magnetic field completely disappeared there. Without this protective shield, Mars was left completely exposed to the sun. Violent solar storms began to directly strike the planet's surface without mercy. Solar particles gradually destroyed the dense atmosphere, pushing gases into cold space. Air pressure dropped dramatically, completely changing the rules for the vulnerable ecosystem. The water from the great oceans quickly began to evaporate or freeze. Global temperatures dropped well below the normal freezing point very, very rapidly. For tiny Martian organisms, this was the beginning of an absolutely terrifying end. Lethal ultraviolet radiation bombarded the surface daily, destroying any cellular structure easily. The directly exposed bacteria died first, being completely burned by violent sunlight. Some brave microorganisms fled into the depths of the rapidly retreating oceans. The deep lakes became extremely salty and toxic during the dry times. Even the extremely resistant extremophile bacteria could no longer survive down there. Their only chance was migrating deep under the completely rocky planetary crust. Down there, warm rocks offered a final secret refuge against cosmic cold. They found small pockets of liquid water protected by very thick ice. They abandoned sunlight, surviving by daily consumption of deep underground minerals and gases. Unfortunately, underground resources were extremely limited and very hard to access safely. Large populations of bacteria decreased massively, becoming extremely rare on the planet today. Shortly after, volcanic activity ceased completely across the entire cold red planet. Without internal volcanic heat, even those safe underground refugees froze over permanently. The very last forms of life perished in the cold, completely silent darkness. Billions of microscopic corpses remained trapped in the Martian permafrost for eternity. Today, Mars serves as a grim reminder of our own fragile human existence. Cold wind blows red dust over dry craters where lakes once existed. It is incredibly hard to believe this vast, barren desert was alive. Scientists are now sending robotic rovers to search for those hidden microbial fossils. The Perseverance rover explores Jezero Crater, the former Martian lake full of fresh water. Its delicate instruments analyze rocks to find chemical traces left by bacteria. Every analyzed rock can completely change the way we understand the universe. Finding microbial fossils on Mars would represent an absolutely revolutionary scientific discovery. The discovery would prove that life is not a completely isolated simple accident. If Mars had life, it could exist anywhere else across the galaxy. The universe could hide microscopic ecosystems on countless other, very distant planets. Now, the only machines moving there are the advanced rovers built by us. Rovers work like skilled detectives, actively trying to solve this great cosmic mystery. There is hope that some simple life forms still survive deep underground. At a great depth, it is possible possible some bacteria still manage to survive. This scientific theory is bold, but fully possible according to biology's rules. To finally find the definitive answer, we will drill very deep underground. Future human missions to Mars will bring much more powerful and advanced equipment. Brave astronauts will drill deep to discover underground hidden oases full of water. For now, the red planet's history offers humanity an absolutely valuable cosmic lesson. Every natural ecosystem, no matter how strong, remains fragile and can disappear. Earth's magnetic shield constantly protects us from extremely dangerous external solar radiation. Without this shield, Earth would quickly become a completely dead red desert. Our neighboring planet clearly shows us the sad destiny of an unprotected world. Therefore, we absolutely must protect Earth and its fragile, precious natural balance. Liquid water, dense atmosphere, and terrestrial magnetism heavily support life's continuity globally. That is why, look at the sky with huge hope, curiosity, and respect. Search for that bright red dot and think about its truly fascinating history. It is the huge tomb of an ecosystem that lost the cosmic survival fight. This fascinating world was heavily destroyed by the harsh forces of a universe. The sun mercilessly destroys planets that remain without a functional protective magnetic shield. Our galaxy probably hides thousands of other planets that have suffered quite similarly. We are all incredibly lucky to live on an amazingly alive blue globe. However, the history of this planet remains a huge enigma we want solved. Secrets lay hidden there, fully ready to be understood by very curious people. Exploring the cosmos is our great search for essential answers regarding early origins. We continuously explore with great hope, endless curiosity, and absolutely huge cosmic respect. Through special technologies, Mars will proudly become a completely green planet once again. Terraforming could successfully bring blue oceans and new life to this cold world. Until then, we will continue exploring this infinite universe with great scientific enthusiasm. This is the amazing story of the Martian ecosystem's disappearance from the surface.